Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best miter saws under $200 on the market for this year. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a enthusiast, these tools are sure to elevate your woodworking game. We are going to show you our 5 selections and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. The Metabo miter saw is a powerful and versatile cutting tool that will elevate your woodworking projects to a whole new level. This miter saw boasts a 15-amp motor, providing ample power to tackle even the toughest materials with ease. Whether you're working on hardwood, softwood, or even lumber, this saw won't disappoint. It features of the Metabo HPT miter saw is its impressive miter cutting range, spanning from 0 to 52 degrees to both the left and right. This means you can achieve precise angled cuts for various applications, from intricate picture frames to complex crown molding. Additionally, the bevel cutting range reaches up to 45 degrees to the left, granting you the ability to create beveled edges effortlessly. The package comes complete with a 10-inch 24 TTCT saw blade, renowned for its durability and exceptional cutting performance. With this high-quality blade, you'll experience cleaner and smoother cuts, reducing the need for extensive sanding or finishing work. Number 2. Evolution Sliding Miter Saw Plus. The Evolution Power Tools is a compact yet powerful 7¼ inches multi-material compound sliding miter saw plus, designed to handle a wide range of materials with precision and ease. This miter saw is perfect for enthusiasts and professional carpenters alike, thanks to its versatility and user-friendly design. What sets them apart is their ability to cut through various materials, including wood, plastic, aluminum, and even mild steel, all with a single blade. This makes it a time-saving and cost-effective solution for projects that involve multiple materials. With a sliding feature, the R185 SMS Plus allows you to extend the cutting capacity, enabling you to handle larger workpieces effortlessly. The compact design and lightweight construction make it portable and easy to transport, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go projects. Number 3. Delta Master Miter Saw with Laser. For woodworking enthusiasts who seek precision and accuracy, the Delta Power Equipment Corporation 10 inches Shopmaster Miter Saw with Laser is a dream come true. This miter saw incorporates a laser guide system, providing you with a clear cutting line for ultimate control and accuracy. With its 10-inch blade, the Delta can handle a variety of cutting tasks, from crosscuts and miter cuts to bevel cuts. The versatility of this saw makes it an indispensable tool in any woodworker's arsenal. The built-in dust collection system ensures that your workspace remains clean and free from debris, allowing you to focus on your craft without constant interruptions for cleaning up sawdust. Number 4. Wen 10-inch miter saw with laser. The Wen is a feature-packed 10-inch single-bevel compact sliding compound miter saw with laser, designed to provide accuracy and efficiency in a compact form factor. This miter saw is perfect for DIYers and professionals who need a reliable tool for various woodworking projects. The integrated laser guide system ensures precise cuts every time, saving you time and effort on measurements and reducing the chance of errors. Additionally, the sliding function allows you to handle wider workpieces with ease, making it ideal for crown molding and baseboard projects. The 15-amp motor delivers ample power to cut through a range of materials, from softwood to hardwood, providing you with consistent and clean results. The saw's black design gives it a sleek and modern look, adding a touch of style to your workshop. Number 5. Strummer Miter Saw. The Strummer 10 inches sliding compound miter saw is a workhorse that combines power, precision, and convenience into one impressive package. With its 13-amp motor running at 6,000 RPM, this miter saw can handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. The sliding feature allows you to extend the cutting capacity, making it suitable for working with larger pieces of wood. Whether you're working on baseboards, trimmings, or other intricate woodworking projects, this saw will deliver consistent and accurate results. Safety is paramount, and the Strummer miter saw has you covered with its precision cut blade guard, ensuring that your hands are protected during operation. The built-in dust bag helps keep your workspace clean, providing a healthier and more enjoyable working environment. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.